What's up? What's up? You like my car? Quit staring at it. It's mine. Just kidding, guys. Today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna install a spoiler on the BMW. It's already like dry fitted on there. I can just take it right off. But this, I found them on eBay. They're like $100 pretty much. I think it's like 100, maybe 120 bucks. And they're painted to color match your car, and they fit right on. It also comes with this 3M tape right here, and it literally just sits right on, and without even taping it, it just sits there, and it looks pretty cool. So this is the view from before, from the back, and then this is the view after, and then here's from an angle on the side, and then here's a shot after, and then one more angle from the side, from the dead side. It'd be before I had the spoiler, and then this is a shot after the spoiler has been put on. So you can kind of see the difference it makes. All right, so I'm gonna walk you through how to put it on. This is a learning process for me as well. I might fudge up, don't judge me, okay? Only mom can judge me, okay? Let's hop on. First, I'm gonna clean the surface off before we stick it. That's kind of a general, just good thing to do before you start sticking stuff to stuff. We'll start with just some water. Spray it off, wipe it down. And then I figure some Windex couldn't hurt. And then I'm gonna kind of wipe off the inside of this. Nothing crazy. Also, paint matching. It paint matches like super good. To me, this looks like perfect paint match. Just like that. And it does come with these instructions. I'm not sure how good they're gonna be. Okay, so we just need to start with putting this double-sided tape on. Okay, so we got one strip going all the way across the bottom here. Let's put another strip up here. All right, that's 2 rows, and you're barely left with just a little tad bit of tape. I'll put some on the edges here, probably, like this and this. Okay, so we got tape all along the bottom, and then on the edge here, and then on the edge here as well. I think the main point of it is what I'll do is I will, for one, I'm gonna take the backing off these 2 pit strips right here because I won't be able to reach them afterwards. All right, and then what you wanna do is you want to peel off, or at least start to peel off these strips right here at the end and get a good amount peeled off. Oh, dang. All right, so we'll get like that much peeled off so it's sticking out from the bottom. And then same thing with this one at the top. And peel some of that off until it's sticking out that way. All right, moment of truth, here we go. Out there. All right, we got it kind of set down like that. Looks good to me. Put the camera over here real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna take this strip right here and just peel. And this is exposing the adhesive on the underside. Nice and slow. And I'll kind of take you along for the ride on the second one here. Buckle in, guys. Okay, we're pulling it out like that. Just nice and slow. You don't want to rip this because then the world would break in half. Or at least would seem like it. Almost there. It's easier to peel off here at the end, that's for sure. All right, we are good. So now it's kind of press down on the bumper here. Make sure that it's solid and secure on there. There you go. Finished product right there. Okay, so I will link you down below to the exact place I got this on eBay. If you don't have I have the dark gray metallic color. So you might not have that color, but I think if you just kind of look through the related listings with this, you'll be able to just find your exact matched color. And yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Any questions or comments you have, throw them down in the comment section below. Hit the damn thumbs up because I freaking said so. And if you like me, if you like my videos, go ahead and hit subscribe, you know, if you want to. No big deal if you don't, whatever. Bye.